Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Lock Screen or Security. Make sure you already have a PIN, password, or biometric active. This prevents accidental changes. Once there, look for toggles that allow Control Center, widgets, or notifications on the lock screen. Turn off Control Center on lock and disable any lock screen widgets first. These are most often responsible for accidental scrolls. Doing this now reduces touchable areas and makes the remaining steps faster and safer for your device. Once done with basic toggles, change how notifications behave on the lock screen. You should set sensitive apps to show as hidden or only when unlocked so content won't cause scrolling. Next, remove or lock any widgets. Either delete them from the lock screen or require authentication to view. Then check gesture features such as Today View, Swipe to Open, or Quick Access panels. Disable any that allow scrolling from the lock. These changes reduce interactive elements and stop most unintended scrolling from gestures or notifications. Finally, lock the device and test every swipe, tap, and notification reveal to confirm scrolling is gone. If you still see scrolling, tighten security. Switch to a stronger lock method or use guided access/screen pinning to restrict input temporarily. If problems persist, reboot the phone, install pending OS updates, and if needed, reset lock screen settings to defaults, then reconfigure. One key troubleshooting step: test in safe mode or with a new user profile to isolate whether an app or custom launcher is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.